What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another $5,000, $10,000 challenge video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna get right into the charts. All right, starting off on a daily. Yesterday we had this big move down right here. I ain't gonna lie, I did not expect that. After we came in this inefficiency right here and like tapped the top of this and kind of closed with the body above it, I was expecting us to just kind of go higher. Not one full move, but you know, just start making our way higher. We had this big down move yesterday. Yeah, I was not ready for that. They took out last week's low and everything. Yeah, that was surprising. But we end up reaching this inefficiency down here as well. So I guess you can say it was warranted. I thought we was gonna leave this open. I kind of wanted to leave this gap open, but hey, it is what it is. Dropping down to the 15, you can clearly see yesterday we just dropped, just took out a lot of liquidity, and we've been kind of ranging right here. So I guess you could say the drop is to stop out, take out liquidity so we can run these highs up here. Cause woo, look at that. Look at them highs. That is, oh my Lord. That you can't get more beautiful than that. Look at them smooth highs up there. So we just started to break out of this opening range right here. Is 9:52. We about to hit the 10 o'clock hour. So we broke out of this range right here using the 9:30 open. So hopefully we can keep this momentum pushing forward and find a setup to take us into some of these inefficiencies and these highs up here. There's also news at 10 a.m. So that might be a way that we can get pushed up into these gaps and things like that. I also forgot to mention that on the 4-hour, and this translates to the daily as well, if you take your fib from here prior to the run up, my drawings just popped back up. But here to here, we just now reaching this 50% mark. So we're in somewhat of a discount, or we're in a discount to see those higher prices. So I'm definitely trying to look for buys. If I get stopped out, just trying to look for buys, then I just get stopped out. Now I will see y'all if I get a setup. All right, y'all. So the 15-minute news candle is closed in about 8 minutes. So we got the 15-minute on the left, 1 minute on the right. Now, so this is the news on the 1 minute right here, right at 10 o'clock. But if you look, we ran up above these highs, and then at 10 o'clock news sent this down. So we took out minor buy side, and we took out minor sell side. We left some of this sell side. We didn't touch that. Kind of wish we would have hit that. But right now, I'm watching this gap. I'm not taking the entry on this gap because we haven't broken anything. I'm just watching it. I want to see how it acts on this fair value gap. Yes, we have a fair value gap on that 10 o'clock, but I much rather price support right here so I can try to take it to the new day opening gap, and then that low that it broke. Plus, we have a lot of gaps above us, so I'm expecting price to be pulled towards those gaps. So we just gonna see what happens. So you see we moving up right now. So if we get a good entry, I'm definitely gonna take that. All right, y'all, just got triggered for a buy right here in NQ longs. I ain't gonna lie, this is a lot of risk. It's about a 2% risk on the $5,000. So yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. All right, we got above that high, so I'm definitely gonna roll my stop up just a little bit. Still trying to give it a little bit of breathing room. Not gonna lie, I'm about to go break even right now, just to take the emotional risk off. If I get stopped out, it is what it is. But that should cover me fees, costs, and everything. So now we just gotta let the trade ride. I could take this right now and it would be my biggest win, I think. But I'm trying to practice holding my trade, so Let's see if we can run out that high that I got, man. Since it wicked that high, I just moved my stop up below that wick right there. Yeah, that was a nasty candle. That candle was nasty. Not good. Where we at? That was that high. If you look to the left, that was that high over here. Keep pushing. Push. Push. Like it's about to stop me out. All right, stopped out at 160, not too bad. All right, y'all, this is post trade. Obviously, I was editing the video and I wanted to check the charts again, and I come back and I see this, and this is kind of for myself and probably for y'all too. But I've been, studying ICT, and I see him use order blocks and stuff like that. And I haven't been using the order blocks, but I've been trying to implement it so I can kind of see it and maybe, get better at it. So you see I marked up this order block, or you were seeing it during the video, what I thought was a bullish order block, and it probably was, and it probably just failed. But if you look right here, this gap, so we had this run up creating this gap, and that's why I marked out during the video. And then let's say we enter there, our stop would have been either below this candle, or you could have went below the low. And this wick right here never took out that low, and then it shot up and hit what would have been my target and the new day opening gap, which is what I was talking about. So I say all that to say, I'm not trusting them order blocks right now, bro. I'm just not doing it. That was it. Even though we got stopped out, we stopped out in profit, $160. So still not a bad trade. I really wanted to try to see if I could let it run and hit those highs, because I was thinking it was just going to run right through the new day opening gap and all the gaps above it. But if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see y'all in the next trading video.